L15 Mini Label Printer Operation Video. Step 1. Power on the printer. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. The red light will illuminate, indicating that the power is successfully on. Step 2. Place the label paper. Put in the label paper. Pay attention to the direction of label paper placement. Print side facing the print head. Close the cover. Step 3. Download LuckJingle app. Search for LuckJingle in the App Store to download the app. Step 4. Connect the printer via Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned on while opening the LuckJingle app. Click the printer icon in the upper right corner to jump to the Bluetooth page. Then find the L15 Bluetooth signal. Click Connect. The printer is connected successfully. Here is the printing effect.